Downloading your account data from Robinhood is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to access and save your information. Step 1. Open the Robinhood app. Launch the Robinhood app on your mobile device or visit the Robinhood website on your computer. Log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account icon or menu, usually found in the bottom right corner of the app or in the top right corner of the website. Click on it to access your account settings. Step 3. Access account information. In the Account Settings menu, look for an option labeled Account Information or Account Data. Click on this option to proceed to the section where you can manage your data. Step 4. Request data download. Within the Account Information section, find the option to download your account data. This may be labeled as Download Data or Export Data. Click on this option to initiate the download process. Step 5. Confirm and download. Follow any prompts to confirm your request for data. You may need to select the type of data you want to download. Once confirmed, the data will be prepared and you will receive a notification or email with a link to download your account data. By following these steps, you can easily download your account data from Robinhood. Make sure to keep your data secure and review it as needed.